Today we're going to be making one of my favorite simple dishes, a thin crust pepperoni pizza, and we're going to do a dang good job of it. If you want to check out the ingredients list, go ahead and hit the View Products tag on the video. We're going to make this pepperoni pizza a little bit extra special by including some red onion. I think that goes really well with pepperoni. Chop open this big stick. I like to buy pepperoni I can cut myself, because I like to cut real thick slices of it. I need to order some like fancy pepperoni off the internet, but you know what? These Hormel sticks, still pretty good. Let's speed this up a little bit. That looks like enough. I'm gonna use smoked mozzarella. I like that little bit of smoky flavor with the pepperoni pizza. And if I can open it, we're also going to have artichoke hearts, which I think kind of bring a light contrast to the heavy flavors of the pepperoni. Come on, open up for Daddy. I need that yum yum. Daddy needs his yum yum. Come on. Really? We're still doing this? Finally. I love artichoke hearts. Let's get our pizza dough out, flour up our pizza peel. I'm using a store-bought dough, but I think it turns out great. It saves so much effort. Just start stretching it by hand. And yes, I know people will cringe when they see this, but when I want a really thin crust pizza, sometimes it helps to roll it out a little bit. No shame in your technique if it ends up working. Michael's of Brooklyn makes a really good, just simple tomato sauce that's wonderful on pizzas. And again, saves you a lot of effort. Just especially nice in the summer when you just want to make your pizza real quick and not have the stove on top of the oven as well. This is some Romano cheese, a little bit of saltiness. Just a nice sprinkling. Get some red pepper flakes in there for some heat. Start spreading our smoked mozzarella around. It spreads a lot, so you don't really need big chunks of it, just a few dollops here and there. Try to artfully arrange our pepperoni. A little more garlic. Because I love garlic. Let's get some artichoke hearts on this. It'll be nice and light and tangy. I love artichoke hearts. I kind of break them up and spread them around when I put them on a pizza. You don't want just a whole artichoke heart on its own. That would be quite the big bite. Gotta balance the flavors. And finally, just another little smattering of Romano cheese to finish it off. And it's good to go in the oven. 550 degrees, been preheating for a couple hours, so our steel is nice and hot. I like it crispy, so it'll be about 8 minutes. That looks absolutely delicious. Sometimes you see those pizzas that have edge to edge non-stop pepperoni, and it looks fun. But I really want to have a balance of flavors and ingredients. This is my ideal pepperoni pizza. So crispy, so thin. Look at that. This tool here is called a mezzaluna. It's just a giant knife. It's really fun to cut pizza with. If you want it for yourself, you can find it in the View Products tab. There you have it, a delicious thin crust pepperoni pizza. With the perfect balance of flavors and ingredients. So good. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, if you like this recipe, please like and subscribe. It really helps out.